When we think about computers and artificial intelligence, we often picture lines of codes, and algorithms. But some of the most powerful ideas in AI come from an unexpected place called nature. From ant colonies to bird flocks, biology has really inspired groundbreaking technologies in the field of AI today. We are going to explore the fascinating world of biological computation and how we learn from nature's most intelligent systems. So what exactly is biological computation, you may ask? Well, in simple terms, it's the study of how living organisms like the human brain, insect swarms, or even individual cells processes information. These biological systems don't use binary code, but they solve complex problems in ways that inspire scientists and engineers. And unlike traditional computers which follow strict rules, calculations, biological systems are more adaptive and centralized and often unpredictable. They show us how intelligence can emerge naturally without centralized control. And today we'll be talking about one of the concepts that is very interesting, which is called swarm intelligence. So let's look, for example, at a colony of ants or a flock of birds. Each individual follows simple rules. Like an ant might follow the scent trail, or a bird might follow its neighbor. Yet together, as a whole, they solve complex problems like looking for food or migrating to long distances. Now, this kind of decentralized coordination is called swarm intelligence. No single ant or bird controls the group, but their collective behavior as a whole results in impressive problem-solving skills. This principle is now used in AI to create algorithms for routing traffic, managing robots in warehouses, or even designing more efficient systems for search and rescue. Another biological system that inspired AI is the human brain. Neural networks, which we discussed in my last video, are based on how neurons in the brain communicate with each other. The brain is highly efficient at processing vast amounts of data, learning from experiences, and adapting to new information. In AI, we try to mimic this by creating what we call an artificial neural network that can recognize patterns and learn from data. But the human brain is far more complex than even the most advanced neural networks we have today. Its biological structure allows it to perform tasks like problem solving, creativity, and emotional understanding, things that AI is still trying to grasp. Now, let's look at what we call evolutionary algorithms. This is the concept of evolution in nature. Species how they evolve through natural selection. That is, the strongest traits survive and the weakest die off. This idea has inspired evolutionary algorithms, where we have let algorithms evolve over time to find the best solution to a problem. In these systems, many potential solutions compete against each other, and only the best survive to the next generation. Over time, this process looks for the optimal solution, just how animals adapt to their environment. Evolutionary algorithms are used in everything from optimizing logistic networks to creating new designs for cars and planes. So how do we actually learn from nature to build smarter AI? By observing how biological systems solve problems, we can design algorithms that are more adaptable, decentralized, and robust. Biological computation teaches us that intelligence isn't just about brute force or centralized control. It's about adaptation and collaboration. Whether it's ants working together to solve problems, or the brain rewiring itself to learn new things, or nature showing us new ways to approach AI. We're only scratching the surface of how biological systems can inform or improve our technology today. Now, as AI continues to evolve, biological computation could be the key to unlocking new levels of intelligence. We are moving towards systems that not only mimic biological processes, but also learn from them, creating AI that can adapt to new situations and solve problems in ways we never thought possible. In the future, we might even see machines that think and learn in ways that are closer to how life itself evolves and adapts. The possibilities are endless, guys. To conclude, at the end of the day, I think nature has had billions of years to perfect its methods, and there's a lot we can learn from it. Biological computation isn't just a cool concept, it's the foundation of how we might build the next generation of intelligent systems. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more interesting conversations. I promise I have a bunch of interesting content to put out there. Let me know your thoughts, let me know how I can improve my video. And yeah, feel free to comment. What do you think about biological computation? Is this something you find interesting or not? Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.